Good day, my name is Jam Sara de la Cruz, 24, from ISET College of Dasmariñas, Cavite branch. I'm taking Bachelor of Science in Computer Science. I have rendered 500 hours, and I was assigned in Arduino team and as software developer. My main task programming, creating and developing database, SQLite database dashboard. And for data logging siya. For local data logging. And nakatulong siya sa akin bilang BSCS student kasi na-apply ko yung programming at database management. And give me a real experience of how software and hardware work together. Ang natutunan ko, pwede kong baunin, of course, yung teamwork and communication. Kasi hindi mo naman magagawa ng ikaw lang mag-isa. So, kailangan talaga ng teamwork and communication. And personally, nagbigay siya sa akin ng confidence na mas matuto pa ng ibang things. Sa hindi lang ako naka-base sa kung ano yung natutunan ko sa school. Of course, thank you sa JPMC for giving me opportunity na maging part ng company nila. And of course, for supporting, trusting me during my internship, syempre. And of course, to our supervisor, Engineering Robin, and to our general manager, Sir James, for mentorship. And na-build nila kung ano man pa yung pwede kong matutunan. Sa next intern, ang ma-advise ko lang, so, stay open sa kung ano man yung pwede mo pang matutunan. And, give your best, of course. And, tignan mo yung task, maliit man or malaki, as opportunity to improve and grow. So, naniniwala naman ako na every small task or small step has a value. So, yun lang.